A, $12,000 profit. B, $10,000 profit. C, loss of $4,300. D, looking at tickers A through Z with this strategy results in over $170,000 of profit. Here are the numbers from that A to Z backtest of this strategy. For now, I've blanked out the win percentage. As we go through this video, look at the strategy, look at some charts. I want you to be guessing what the win percentage is. This strategy is so simple to understand. There are only 2 rules to it, but there is also a major secret developed within this strategy that really makes it profitable. In plain English, what is the strategy? First off, it's a swing trade strategy, so I'm running this on the daily chart. And the idea that I had for which I developed this system is I wanted to build a strategy to catch reversals, but I wanted to be buying dips on already strong stocks, right? You don't want to end up catching the falling knife. So in order to build that discretionary idea, I had to come up with systematic ways to objectively define that a stock is strong, but currently dipping. First, how did I objectively define strength? And when I say that, what we do on this channel is we build trading systems. All my subscribers know that. We don't just analyze and talk about how a strategy could work or what a strategy should be. We actually build exact reasons why you should enter or exit a trade. They are still based off of trade ideas, as I just described, but you can't just say, hey, this stock is strong and dipping. You need to be able to objectively define when that stock is strong and dipping. So to define strength, I use the 200 simple moving average. Is the current bar closing above the 200 simple moving average? If I move to a stock like Block SQ, here's a good example of just where I would not be trying to buy dips, right? Look at when this stock breaks below its 200 simple moving average and look at how weak it is here versus how well the dips worked here. And yes, I did test multiple other simple moving average lengths. I found 200 to be the one that worked best for me on this strategy. And just to piggyback on that conversation, maybe a little off topic here, but if you do feel like you're kind of stuck in a rut with your trading, maybe you're still losing a little bit of money or you're stuck in that just period where you're break even. I was that sort of trader for years. It's probably because you are still trying discretionary trading. You know, you're still drawing lines on charts. You're still live analyzing charts for what looks to be a good buy and sell, rather than having objectively, statistically proven trading strategies. If that sounds like you, then I want you to click the link in the description down below right now. Head on over to my website, daytradingstrategies.net, where you can access all of my proven strategies, indicators, watch list. There is over 55 codes available on my website. And because I really want you all to get started in this systematic way of trading that helped turn me into a consistently profitable trader, if you use code reversal right now at checkout, your first month is only going to be $5, and you'll get access to everything for that $5. The strategy we're covering today, as well as all my other codes for both Thinkorswim and TradingView. Now back to the strategy itself. We just talked over how we systematically determined whether a stock is strong, right? Simply current bar closing above 200 simple moving average. Now, how do we objectively define that this strong stock is dipping? We are going to simply use one more indicator, and that is the relative strength index, or RSI. If the RSI is below 40, that's how we are objectively, once again, systematically defining that this is a dip. It is now, for real, a strong stock on a dip. You no longer have to guess, should I buy this? No, it is a strong stock on a dip. You saw the backtest numbers from A to Z on this strategy at the beginning of the show. You know it works, right? You know the strategy has a history of winning. Now you have the system in place. But remember, I told you there was one more big secret. You might be looking at this strategy right now thinking, okay, Trey, this doesn't look that impressive. There's one more big secret to this strategy. But of course, to wrap up the strategy itself, before we get to the secret, one more thing we need to touch on, the sell condition. We are trading a reversal system here, right? We are buying dips. So on a reversal strategy, the idea is that you look to get out quickly, right? If you're in a more continuation strategy where you're buying strength and looking to hold, you can hold and look for bigger moves. But I have found what has worked best in my back testing, once again, that you saw the numbers of during the intro, that just getting out when the current bar closes with an RSI value greater than 45, that is our exit condition. So close over 200 simple moving average, close under RSI 40, you enter, then close over 45, you exit. Now let's get to the secret. You may have noticed that I went a little bit longer on my website shill in this video than I normally do. That's because I was trying to foreshadow at something. And that something is that this strategy code is now available on TradingView. I code almost exclusively for Thinkorswim, which excludes a lot of you. There's a lot of you watching that aren't using Thinkorswim. But if you don't know, TradingView is simply a website. Anyone can use TradingView without even having an account for free from their internet browser. And now you can copy and paste this code in so that everybody can have access to seeing this code. And not only that, TradingView provides some pretty great backtesting statistics from directly within your browser when you load in a strategy like this. So do you remember that question I asked you at the beginning of the video about the win percentage of this strategy? In TradingView, you can see it. On SPY, 86%. Let's just do the thing. On A, 79%. On B, 72%. On C, 69%. On D, 71%. So as you can see, there's a roughly 80%, 75 to 80% win rate on this strategy. And actually, when I ran the back test myself, if I turn off the fill on tickers A through Z, we landed on an 84.44% win rate. I'm gonna show you real quick how you get this set up so that you can have this code within your own TradingView and do your own testing. Obviously, you need to be signed up for the site, use code reversal, save yourself a bunch of money. Then you're gonna go into our strategies. Now, we're gonna click on the TradingView icon here. Of course, we want the strategy. This is a swing trading strategy, and it is the reversal strategy. If I click into this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this code. Give me 1 second. We're going to copy all this code. I had to cut so you guys didn't see the whole thing for free. I'm not quite that nice, sorry. And then all you're going to do, jump into your, once again, TradingView. I'm on the super charts here. So actually, let me do this. If I just type in tradingview.com, this is going to be the website you come to. You search a ticker here, right? Say, I want to look at SPY. You look at SPY, you go to see on super charts. That's going to take you to this nice charting feature here from within your browser. You're going to go to the Pine editor where you will simply paste in the code. Then from there, you're going to save the code. Once it's saved, you go to your indicators and it should show up in favorites. If it doesn't, just search whatever you named it. It should be called DTS reversal. It should be called, actually, it's not here on my favorites. I don't know what I'm saying. So you search DTS reversal, click on it. That will add it to your indicators on your chart. Then from there, you can see the, if I move my head out of the way, you will be able to see the strategy tester, which will show you all your back-tested statistics on the ticker you are running the strategy against. I know I've been teasing it this whole video. Let's talk about the secret. And you may already be able to tell, but you've heard of scaling out of trades. Everybody talks about scaling out of trades. I don't see a lot of strategies and a lot of conversations, though, around scaling in to trades, and that is exactly what this strategy does. Up to 10 times. And of course, once you get this code yourself, you can adjust this if you only want to scale in 5 times or what be it. You just change that variable there. But up to 10 times, if the SMA is over 200 and if the RSI is over 40, this strategy will enter. And I am entering $5,000 each time. Once again, if you want to change that, once you have the code, all you need to do is adjust your initial capital quantity here. If you only want to do $500 each time, depending on your account size, of course, you just change that variable as well. There is an 84% win rate trading strategy explained to you for free in this video. And obviously, you know where to go if you would like to download the strategy yourself. Please like, please subscribe. They both mean the world to me. Check out the link in the description down below to access this strategy and over 40 others. Thanks, guys.